This is the best time to relocate to Germany. Have you heard about the German Opportunity Card? Well, even if you haven't heard anything about the German Opportunity Card, then consider today's information a good news, because this Opportunity Card for 2024 is going to be starting on the 1st of June 2024. Now you're wondering, what is the German Opportunity Card? This is an opportunity for you to be able to relocate to Germany to go and search for a job. Now, you do not need those very basic things that people will always look for before they are granted visa in Germany. You do not need to know how to speak German language. You do not need
opportunity card. I mean, I won't the label be. I won't the label. Zunzongo. Dear to a camera in the refila. Caban yet trashing a derme. The pala in yarme. Borman Academa te Dagompolo te Banini Guaram, cat a bamba shadim be Guaram Pune, Guaram Pune dam fan and in your shelley. Yet I shall Zorganda, and your Guaram Pune, never so winges nan cati kesselmin tanga, Guaram the pair. Benja the Malacan selmin tanga, the Benja the Malacan Arab Golf the payim. Zon, Germany, Beyula Beswele, Bedundwele. Zante visa pa de shele pele shel dan kana kabo bonel opportunity card opportunity visa before ma ara yel na vosona en kela jamana na bare language wama balma amba wumdro ma dranya ban sha dan nan na trom karshe kina draye shim na kadama ay ka tuma be ban sheshanga ama pumpon German opportunity card for the past to ko na kadama bakwe mbongo kam ko dwele internet was lehra banyala selmen sele banyala kam wan sele
Germany EU blue card and after so the German opportunity card ama Germany ayede EU blue card implementation almost started here November first phase, March second phase, and after June who videos amaya dada and na meba be duete amaya dia kakaye home. Today was the new Skilled Immigration Act. Na act no if a foreign workers are Eco Germany akoye juma resident permit ayede be momo the EU blue card a card ayede ma all the European Union countries no na Germany so a part. November 2023 changes are on the basa EU blue card in the mono, and it's a first lower salary threshold. Nanka ansana wa juma be more qualify for EU blue card no. And what's a year juma the annual salary threshold no e was ro. A juma the salary e was ro. Na by ni se wo hwe se obe lower sa salary na was ro na ama ejuma efo bebre etimi o madjuma ne qualify no o lower aba from the eno na mo hu no screen so no e salary a we twa to ho eno na e was screen so a mo hwe ne sa no eti wa adwuma ebe miti sa salary no per annum and as a per year no, then you can qualify for the EU blue card. In so Germany a wider group of people, it was a new entrant into the labor market. Aha, omo pay you to know every market ni mo labor ni mo na yetumi aye adwuma mo. Enti empo se foreign nationals are mobile school e Germany. Mo we university automatically mo benya EU blue card no na matimi ya tena ho apa adwuma aye. Enti we say so e asem de. Na mo mo se adwuma obetimi aye no. Still na was a meeting sa annual threshold na aban na etwa to no. So ya kwa ni mo bi ma was IT specialist, omo mo IT field, information technology. Has our IT field with their own here degree. Most of the time, I do my qualify man for Eco Germany. I omunya EU blue card and a degree qualification jobs. But IT for any day was the only degree grab bra. They hear say at least 3 years of comparable professional experience. Now was our resume. Edition so say ampa. Why you do money be that my Ghana what experience crab 3 years no. A basa de obe consider so we need degree grab for our IT no a bra krumo na ebeji the EU blue card. Eko BM1 or see a juma it may qualify a bottleneck professions a qualify for EU blue card no where BM Tiwasha or the manufacturing, mining, construction, distributing managers, information technology, IT for information and communication technology for professional service managers such as childcare and as a health service managers or the veterinary for abem, dentists for a pharmacist for nurses and the midwives and a teacher for so eti abusia we BM a amanfo bebre ebetimi erem Germany akwaye adwuma na omanya the EU blue card.
Belle kam kan chante chekele. Yes, in Shirenya about 5,000 jobs available. 5,000 job available. German opportunity card, visa application. So then can to dwell in yele. To no ka borma 5,000 job available. Our board workers. 5,000 mama dominion pilisham. Nda yele yetu ashe karinya shukuro nama yeba nage maybe university. Yeba nage university nama. Lan mo aka jigam pasati gbene mahang gbene ta dagbang ta bo gwar mo ngoma beti nimbe niro gwar karanja la ta banang de research ta hankal za ha kan ta pa whatsapp pure platform no zo shukuru bil kam karaki kam wabana research do zo German opportunity card shel dan kana be yola ton ku be June shel mo pour 1 June never trust the yetu ala hala kama mamman yel na karo no na ala dabsel ma pana kan shirin yanya German gwamnati shirin approve la yetu a shedin yaron ma dan da be parliament halle kan te desantam na karo ba approve by German government la opportunity card ngoma opportunity visa card karshen na karo pumpon ay bela gana lula kam zahabi Africa lula kam zah Nigeria nan to asran ka Kenya nan to asra near embassy dembe German council be German embassy nyen pure opportunity visa card na bo website. Don't ask me question. Agbaza mamma no to yisen chan antena German ye to ashira kam tin yara ka chan anto Google and search le so den kan to an to dole nyene apply le online YouTube video ma bazan da ban sha kabza da wasu araso silminga.
This is the best time to relocate to Germany. Have you heard about the German opportunity card? Well, even if you haven't heard anything about the German opportunity card, then consider today's information a good news, because this opportunity card for 2024 is going to be starting on the 1st of June 2024. Now you're wondering, what is the German opportunity card? This is an opportunity for you to be able to relocate to Germany to go and search for a job. Now, you do not need those very basic things that people will always look for before they are granted visa in Germany. You do not need to know how to speak German language. You do not need to have an already existing job offer. No, you don't need all these things. You just need to be able to meet up with certain requirements, and then you can go ahead to apply for this German opportunity card. If you want to know more, stick with me on this video and I'll tell you more about it. At a time when most countries are literally closing down their doors to immigrants, Germany is actually opening its own door. Yes, and they're opening it quite wide, okay? So they're trying to attract more immigrants, like young immigrants, so to say, to come over to Germany to work. So they have brought out this point-based opportunity system called the opportunity card, where you're going to go test yourself on the site and see if you're able to meet up with certain points. And as soon as you make it to at least 6 points, then you're eligible to be able to apply for this visa. In this video, I will also be telling you all the requirements you need, and so then you know if you're going to be eligible to apply for this visa or not. So on this point-based system, one of the major requirements you'll be asking is you need to have at least either a degree or a vocational certificate. All right, so even if these things were done in English or you studied somewhere else outside of Germany, it's okay, because you have a site you can be able to convert into the equivalent in Germany. Okay, so you just need to have that certificate or degree, then that is going to give you a good point. Another one, you need to be at least 35 years or less. It doesn't mean that if you're above 35 years, you cannot apply. It simply means that you get more points if you're less. But if you're above, you can also apply, but know that you'll be getting less points if you are more than 35, okay? Then another thing, if you're also married and you do have a spouse, it also gives you an added advantage. Okay? Now, if you do have any experience with speaking German language, maybe like a beginner, intermediary, or even an expert, of course, that will add advantage for you. But even if you don't, that does not take away your points, okay? You're still going to be able to meet up with the 6 points if you have every other thing in place, okay? So these are basically the things, and some of the jobs they're actually looking out for, as we know, of course, in the health sector, IT sector, engineering, and a lot of jobs on the craftsmanship. So what you're going to do at the end of this video,
bamtela yela biye toa kabzan da ban shakam za habwa abwara anyebo before Germany be yulu man karanya pompon ay kana te biyo tangmane ay za la fi sama zan kana 1 year nyamu na ay kana beta la fi sama ka kana 1 year but that opportunity kama bi garanta ay kan ta paga be 6 point ka bana amale kama mahanle amale ana university ay na ka yele in lu'dan ne lu'dan da sa 1 point mbalama second point ka chang amin jirin Germany ayi na jinjene ka maka ni mana ba karan chang the third one ka boha a wumna German be yetwa be abu wumda an wumda be mba wumda amba wumda ka chang be sincere amelen wala boys chamba ko en zan la ka di gouvernement debata ka read headlines ba dan washa 1 2 3 je den sana ka make ay dolla dan wala halin nake before me kayen nan la nyen wonnin verso wonnan da wa making sure na angela nim verso won mel passport ay na la ben ya ro zaha bela 6 category point ma angela 6 point ma ay na le nage a email na ben shaka maza de na process tema ingela ye trashele zanchang bank statement la ay chang German cancer be German embassy until zan an submit access point shellender be shaka ma après te zan taba ka ban yele I book appointment ka chang to submit aban shaka ma za ha pui ka te submit de tumina zan a bank statement a ben shaka za financial because be an guarantee visa ma tang mana gwamnatin yole da kaka bayan da ba monza ya kaza be ka ba monza ya kaza ben sha kam za ne na ready da tuna zan a banza da pala jaman gwamnati ya no yanta opportunity card zo an yankan ma abu ne da bank statement no opportunity ma ai kana ben tala visa ma kama yuni ai kana kat mal skills pyongo kan borma kamel bank sam dan to tum shele skills workers mahanle anyela plumber anyela excavator driver anyela big truck driver anyela nurse anyela teacher kama karshe ko don wo wata zan amale nun bansam shele dan nan ma zaha ay kana tamman wo ben 1 year ma tamma ka nuna bansam shele amale ma ka soye pa being change me kata working permit kama yuma tadda mani nage kablanta yuma no den sa ba panle tangman mawo because government ma mbor ni rma ni kana to untumtuma wo mi ne bore ni kana jaman to tumtuma ma da ben jime na kadama wakam na gana ante kama larwa tansenema bo bor na nyamma akpa nyamma email nyamma passport because I na Canadian full 1 year ma at least buyen yura so it's important the tum na kadma amale nyam bank statement the yamba agbana mazo financial kama male ana kana te bietan ma puni yuma ye kira ibe kirata kalar kasane bula kaya na dirka yura anyewo demi zaha ayel salary shall be yen gwarma kala be ka ben wara which is good news mane inyele yam pa connection man mbenna no connection terso mbenna no passport terso mbe terso visa but le wor la a hankal na abami ben shaka bang de doine yere to actuellement piam online ni YouTube anta Google opportunity card in Germany. Donc j'ai en 2024 on va approuver da debate ma de bien mais ton ko ke yum palwa pour ka ko gbadi yeto ala ha le ban yur sham ha le kata approuver ton ko be gol shiro pour ne so mbara me anya te yeto anama video ni kana be yeto ani kana kara yela na kadama sheye ma kam man zo nyen ne sheye yira zana trosoma dibe na amfani amade na so da amfani sheye ma nyamuwa video no to kana zongo kaba na amfani ba a sheye ma yen kemi kara na so da amfani ngun bata delu ma wo bata ni nyel de no la fane ay nyama kala ber ngoma kare yelge zante sokam dozo nyangum ba kan shokoro kara bo hande tuma domi ban kanati yelle ma psilgo shukuro nang ban shakam bazan shukur be yeto adanan kana in yi shukur be ma yeto apune in yelne skillful workers in nevsha ban mal nuna bansam ashar tila kan nuna bansam bal ma sorry to say that Africa bansam yele nuna bansam ajimi karanyela nyen nandra hairdresser selmen tanga to bansaba ne bansabla lo shel po ya private job yele nuna bansam yele but adorla atakulita anyela nem so nguntum no construction tuma name them ango min nuna bansam well dan ya plumber nya anyela organizer just ay malab hanuna bansam fine aina kanuna bansam yin yisam tu zongo empil nuna bansam bobo anda anyela la yeto alwa yetta ka sha ditame den ditma yemi me ka lenki carte dinya dozo dontu ni nan sham boami nuna tuma ay kante le video na shapo nan yele lema anto mal nuna bansam ka nuna bansam mazo ka company she need attention ka ka ta zanga da pon nan ka Dubai Kuwait Qatar ka batum sona anti yel ta bolla tuum bang da ya kaza ka zamba zan chan abo mi na hatin shan abjan wa karanya nirba mila moto nan babo ka ba kwa zan chan ta she no chan da bar moto nan deliver abo mi re a ama tan ne yar pa bang san tuma ama le dan ka ta lo sham da zo shaba tra yar wa na ka dama zo mi na wone bo mi tuma bo mi la'are yo ya bank account ma song mi la'are lema no bansam mpashel zungo opportunity card shelden na yo German mo lema Germany is one of the greatest country in Europe. Germany zunzongo munun yoge ne kadma wo bare tuntum de ma skillful workers pumpon won boro ma ami maybe the next thing kabibi yara mpashele karata kanata na shele kabum mamman yan na kadon ya dan ya tambo sole ka Ghana kanata quarant workers be Africa katikanta qori skillful workers taniyan number ban sha akam zaha anzamalan kya at this time ngo babiya na bayan kamna tan so zanzante so ninya mamman apply ma nika gu chambe embezma ante zan an apply ban sha shele I book appointment never na interview na mi yen chanta na interview ma bakagale na yen kwama man ka bank puna ka no to malare accommodation ka me accommodation lare marasa wo bswa duntu na mal ban shakam zaha mabia wo bswa ajengulo ngo balam bora nara yer ya kadama sakana ta dagbang tanang manimo gwaram tanang manimo mbuam bansam ka support one another dinke ka ta toy ta bala zo pat mabema tunzo na mana ka ta pasha ma ka ta basto kana la ta pana la katibi yisa zana mbuan tu no bansam tu nuni tibi yisa zana lema pumpo wa shukuru is just useless azan hadizan kanta to karam azan hadizan kanta shukuru nyama 99% is just 0%. Zam abihayi zan yino ma nzo kyanta na shekoro kazan yino zan kyanta nan karam kazan yino zan kyanta nan tumbang sampune fita be carpenter be welder nyam as bawama yuma tasunsuni kanye nyamwinken shukuro nonken mahmadiala non bwana tumala banir ba tamasusune mborna yelma ngwanda fane as nyini parents man kiyam pildibo ngulum bono misa present on social media ne so hasham share and like and subscribe. Thank you very much.